Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Do not forget to keep liking and subscribe for more beautiful content, guys, and drop your comment. I'll to reach out all your comment, guys. And we have Kizz Daniel on this one. Man, this guy is doing the most for Africa. Let's not just lie. This guy is taking Nigeria to the map. Not just Nigeria, Africa in whole. This guy is doing the most. Like this guy should be rated with the likes of the Burna Boy, Davido, and Whiskey because Kizz Daniel has been bringing it back to back. He's not sleeping on his career at all. This is Kizz Daniel now. He's performing Cuff live in Qatar World Cup 2022. I was like, whoa, this is big. Like the whole crowd was just down. I said, let me bring it to you guys so you get to watch and drop your opinion. Do not forget to keep liking and subscribe for more beautiful content. See you in my next video. Peace out.